Hello, first graders. Welcome to our third lesson of social studies for this week. As you know, the first two lessons, we were just reading about the main ideas of Unit 1. Now this is Lesson 1, page 10. So please bring your social study book, Our Community and Beyond, and let's start. Essential question. How has life changed over time? What do you think? You know, life long ago, things used to be available, you used to have it long ago, but now it's not. So the words for today, or for this lesson, history, fact, timeline, community, technology. So when you find these words, you can just underline the words, all right? And circle the ones that you already know about. So if a word that you read before, or you know about it, so that would be something you can circle it. All right. Let's see. History. History tells the story of people and events from other times and places. You may already know about people and events from the past or long ago. Look at these pictures. The people and the events on these pages are all part of history. All right. So what do you know about history? History, important because you learn and you know information about something that happened in the past, something that happened that we were not alive at this time. All right. We will learn about stories about important people and events that had happened long ago. So what is history? History tells a story about peoples and events from other times and places. Something happened in the past, and sometimes I know about it through pictures or about stories that words are written to tell me what happened. Okay, let's go. And we know fact. Fact is something true that happened. This is the words we covered before. All right. Let's go, page 11. There are many ways you can learn about history. You can ask your parents and grandparents about life long ago. You can visit a museum or read a book about people and events. You can also use primary sources, pictures, letters, and artifacts. When you read about history, look for historical facts, which a fact that is something that is true and not made up. So we have to, if you need information about something happened long ago, we need to make sure that it's a real fact, it's not made up, and no one just made it up. So, for example, one of the sentences below is a fact. The other is not. Circle the one that is a fact. You are in first grade. Or all grades are in the same classroom. Which one is fact, A or B? A, you are in first grade. B, all grades are in the same class, like grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in the same class. Which one is fact, A or B? Very good, A. So we circle A. All right, write one more fact about school. One more fact about school. So what do you want to say? That we have recess in our school, or we have a library in our school, right? So that would be like one fact. So we can write down here. Go for page 12. Family life then. Underline 4 facts that describe family life in the past. So we're gonna read a paragraph, and there are lots of facts for family that they used to do and describe their life long ago. So when we find these, you're gonna underline these words or these sentences or these facts. Okay, let's read. Long ago, families lived in one-room cabins without electricity or running water. They used candles and oil lamps to see in the dark. They cooked their meals over an open fire. Children had chores like they do today, but most of the time, children would do their chores before and after school. For many children, that meant helping out on the farm. For fun, girls played games like hopscotch. They also played with cornhusk dolls. Boys played with jacks or marbles. So, one more time, I'm going to say it slowly. And when you know that this fact about family lived long ago in the past, you're going to underline this. Long ago, families lived in one-room cabins without electricity or running water. This is fact. So this is the first part we're gonna underline. They used candles and oil lamps to see in the dark. That's also true because there was no electricity. So as you see in the picture, they have candles. They cooked their meals over an open fire. So they would be having wood or charcoal and they would be cooking their meals. So they didn't have stove, they didn't have electric stove or gas stove. They would be using fire, direct fire. Children had chores like they do today. Like you have your chores, but what's your chores? Probably tidying up your room, put your toys away, hang your clothes. If you have a pet, take care of your pet. But children all days, their chores are different. They will be helping mom in the house by cooking or cleaning, or helping in the farm outside, like milking the cows or feeding the chicken. So children would do their chores before and after school. You're not going to do any chores before school, right? You're going to wake up, get ready, eat your breakfast, and go to school. And then when you come home, you will be probably eating your snack, doing your homework. And then if you play or if you read a book or something, you need to clean up after that. Or help to, if you have a little brother or little sister, play with your siblings or read for your sibling or something, right? But as we said, chores for children all days were more than that. They would be helping out on a farm. So that would be another fact. For fun, girls played games like hopscotch, but they also played cornhusk dolls. Boys played with jacks or marbles. Nowadays, I don't think children do that. I know you have video games or probably do arts and crafts or paint. So also that was facts that things happened in the old days long ago is not happening now. Let's go for page 13. Family life now. So we saw what happened long ago, and now this is what's happening now. Look at the picture. You see the electricity, tables. I see a boy using the computer, lots of food, big fridge. Today, our homes have electricity and running water. We cook meals in ovens and store food in refrigerators. Children still do many of the same things they did long ago. They go to school and play games, but they also have chores. But today, some children get money for doing their chores. Children still play games today. Games are much different from long ago. Today, children play video games or computer games. Remember? Before, the children were playing with marbles or hopscotch, but now, as you said, video games or computer games. And we saw the family, they have candles, they don't have stove, no refrigerators, no electricity. But look at the picture nowadays. All right. Use the internet and other sources to find out. What chores did children do long ago compared to today? You don't need to go to the internet. If you just read or listen to the video, go back and see what the children used to do long ago, and compare what today, like you don't help in the farm today, you don't help in cleaning the house, you don't help in cooking, you probably just clean up your room or tidy up your books, put them in the right place, finish your homework. And if you help, you will be helping with little work. And all days, children help and didn't get paid. But sometimes here, children will say, parents will ask them to do some chores, and sometimes they pay them. All right, what games do children play now that they didn't have in the past? What do we play now? We play videos or computer games. Exactly, we didn't have these things in the past. So if you look difference between houses long ago and what we have today, as you see, electricity, what we have now, stoves, fridge, and when mom cooked meals, she used stove, she used oven, but in the old days, as we say before, they used fire and they didn't have refrigerators, so maybe they have to cook the food and eat it because they cannot store it and save it anywhere. All right, awesome. So draw a picture of your home. So you can draw something here like your favorite place in your home, like if you like to draw your backyard, or if you like to draw your room or a living room, the TV room, whatever you like to do. Okay, first graders, that's it for today. Bye-bye.